Do you know how it came about at Christmas? The history of Christmas is fascinating and complex. Originally, this date had no connection to the birth of Christ. In ancient Roman times, this time of year was marked by Saturnalia, a week-long festivity dedicated to the god Saturn, full of joy, feasting, and gift-giving. Additionally, many cultures celebrated the winter solstice, a time when the days began to lengthen again, symbolizing rebirth and hope. With the spread of Christianity, church leaders saw an opportunity to convert pagan festivities to Christianity. Thus, in the 4th century, the church officially established the birth of Jesus on December 25th, a date strategically chosen to facilitate the assimilation of the new faith. Over the centuries, Christmas evolved, incorporating traditions like the Christmas tree, inspired by Germanic rituals, and the figure of Santa Claus, derived from St. Nicholas, a bishop known for his generosity. Today, Christmas is a global celebration that mixes religious and cultural traditions, being a time of unity, reflection, and joy for billions of people around the world. How do you celebrate Christmas? Let us know in the comments.